Hi, this is Don McAllister and welcome to another weekly tip video. This week I'm going to cover an application that has become my go-to app when recording the screen of either an iPad or an iPhone, and that's Bezel. Now before Bezel I could either use the built-in screen recording mechanism, which is too clunky, I could use QuickTime, which is too hit and miss really, or use a third-party app like ScreenFlow, which to be honest isn't the best quality. All of these options require me to add in the device Bezel in post-production. Now with Bezel I can seamlessly display the full physical iOS device on my Mac screen, to either record or use in live or online presentations. So this is the Bezel website over at getbezel.app. Now you can download a free trial, there's an option to download it here. That free trial version is watermarked. If you want the full version, you can go ahead and buy it from this link here. It's a single one-time purchase, $29, unlocks everything Bezel has to offer on a single Mac. It also includes a full year of updates as well. Now, I've already purchased Bezel. As soon as I used it, I knew I needed it, so I've downloaded and installed the full version. So let me go ahead and show you how it actually works. Let's go ahead and we'll load Bezel for the first time. You can set it to auto load when your Mac boots. So let me just go ahead and connect my first phone to it. It's pretty straightforward actually. It's literally plug and play. All I need to do is insert a lightning cable. I've got a phone here. I've got an old iPhone 12 Pro Max, which I'm going to try. So if I actually just go ahead and plug my lightning cable in. It's prompting me to tap trust on my iPhone. I'll say trust on the iPhone, enter my device passcode. Now, I probably need to, unplug the phone and then plug it back in again. And there is our phone displayed on screen. Very responsive, performance is great, the screen quality is fantastic. But you'll see at the top now we have a toolbar. Let me just show you a couple of things to do with the toolbar. Now, you will notice as well that we have this fully featured bezel around the iPhone. It's very clever in that it actually knows which model it is, and it even knows which color bezel you have. So this is a blue iPhone 12 Pro Max. But if I wanted to change the bezel, just have a bit of a play around, I could change it to graphite. I can change it to silver. So these are the colors available for this particular phone model. I can change it to gold as well. But let me go ahead and just put it back to match hardware. There is an option to unmute the device, so if you want to pass through audio from your device to your Mac, either to play across the speakers or to record with a third-party app, you can do. And you can also pin it as well. Now, you can move this around, so if I actually grab it and move it to this side and say pin, all right, that will now remain in that position, and any windows that I open will be behind the iPhone itself. But let me go ahead and unpin that, and in fact, let's move it back to fit the screen. I'll do a Command 4. That sets it to fit the screen. You can resize this as well, by the way. So if I want to resize it, I can do. Also, if you move it above, you'll see the toolbar is at the top. The toolbar now appears at the bottom. Again, it will dynamically reposition itself to where you have enough space. Now, to be honest, I tend to switch this off, and you can switch off the toolbar by going to Bezel Settings. And then under General, you can get it to Show Toolbar. I'll just switch that off completely. So now the toolbar will remain off. And again, Command F4 will just recenter it and also give you some nice space around it. That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.